So Vishal, we've seen so much of volatility in the market. We've seen markets correcting since the last quarter. What's the outlook and how should investors position as we go into 2025?
So, volatility is a second nature of the markets. I don't think that should really surprise or concern any reasonable investor. I think in the equity markets, we've seen a run-up for almost now 4 years. And I think many fund managers have been sort of therefore cautioning that this cannot last and there will be or should be a period of consolidation. So maybe that is the period that one should brace for. So brace for some amount of consolidation, maybe a bit more correction even if that were to happen. But keep in mind that the aggregate returns are still quite attractive. And more importantly, if one is sticking to a certain allocation, this could be at best an opportunity to rebalance and nothing much further.
So Vishal, you've seen so many cycles over your investing career, and volatility, as you said, is the nature of the game. What are the key pitfalls which investors should avoid in such markets?
That's a great point, Vinay, because in most such cycles, I think what we see is that the flip from extreme exuberance to panic and too much pessimism is very, very sudden, and that can scare even the most hardened of investors. And when that happens, often you see an extreme reaction. And often that reaction in hindsight tends to be the wrong one, because you're just reacting to a plethora of news that hit you suddenly. So just a couple of months back, we would have been in a phase where everything was golden and everything was very, very positive. And 2 months' time or 3 months' time, you suddenly find everything looks disastrous. I think both extremes are something we should caution against. And when in doubt, I would say go back to first principles. Go back to what your portfolio is meant to do, and definitely take a relook, review, rebalance if required. But any extreme move at times of volatility, I would caution against. Keep in mind, challenging market is also one that shows up opportunities. So look for those opportunities.